Welcome to the channel. This is going to be a very random and a very nitpicky video about tape measures. I have a ton of them scattered throughout my shop and also scattered throughout my house, but the ones that I keep at my bench are very important to me because they checked all of the boxes for things that I care about, and I thought some of you guys might care about this stuff too, so let's dive in. So the first feature I want to look at are the lines of a tape measure. Now, all tape measures are going to tell you what is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, etc. Some of them take it a step farther and tell you what the 1/8 inch lines are. So it'll say like 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. But FastCap takes it even farther and tells you what the 1/16 lines are, and that is my preference. I like to be able to just throw the ruler down on the board, look at it, and see that that's 3 3/16, or 7 7/16, or whatever the situation may be. Some of you guys are going to be traditional, be like, oh, just learn the tape measure, just figure out what the lines are, but I found I was always making mistakes when I did that, and I really don't care. I like that the tape measure tells me what the rule is because that's what it's there to do. It's there to tell you what the measurement is, and the FastCap ones tell you what every single line means, and to me, that's just an important feature. The next feature I want to look at is something you may not use often, but it's super handy to have when the situation arises. So that is when you're measuring between two boards, like the inside of a cabinet or a drawer, something like that. Some of these tape measures have markings on the back that tell you how wide that tape measure is. So you can just set the whole tape measure between the boards, and then you know exactly what the distance is between them. I know there are other ways to measure this, and you can mark one side, flip it over, and do all this kind of stuff. You can bend the tape measure too, which can get you into a lot of issues, but it is just super handy to have these markings on the back. The next feature is definitely a nitpicky one, and that is when you extend out the tape measure if the hook end lifts up off of the board, meaning when you extend it, everything is not sitting flat. The Chameleon is a really good brand, and it's, I think, really good with construction type stuff. It lifts up when you extend the tape measure, so I'm not sure if there's a reason for this when it comes to construction or something like that, but me at my bench and the style of woodworking that I do, I prefer that when you open up the tape measure, everything sits flat. I will note that sometimes this can be difficult to check in stores depending on the packaging that the tape measure is in. I have been able to find ways to set the tape measure on a shelf and extend it out that way to see if it lifts up or not, but that is something that I check now. And yes, I still understand that it's nitpicky, it's just annoying. I have had certain applications where the tape measure lifts up like that and you have to push that end back down to be able to get your measurement, and it's just annoying. So all in all, I decided to go with the FastCap tape measures. This is the green standard one that is also reversible. So it tells you what all of the 16th lines are. It sits flat when you pull out the tape measure, and both sides of this tape measure are marked. So you can set this on the board and mark both sides at the same time. The other thing that's cool about these tape measures, they have a couple different styles. So when I was visiting my buddy over in New Jersey, he told me that they have a standard and a metric one. So it has metric and standard measurements on this ruler, and that's handy to have in case I need to measure anything that's metric. The other kind I discovered was their flat back tape measure. So when you put this down on a board, everything sits flat versus having to rock the tape measure side to side to get your markings. I just find that it's a little bit more accurate with this flat back. The other time this comes in handy is if you're making short measurements because, again, everything is flat on the board. Now, of course, you could just use a ruler for this to get those small measurements, but I do like having this. It's also very handy to have if you're measuring any kind of tool. So if you're a tool reseller or anything like that, it's easier for people to see where the lines are and have a more accurate measurement of the tool, again, because everything is sitting there flat. An additional feature of this one is that you can actually write on the tape if you want to make any notes. It's kind of like a storyboard, so you can turn this into a storyboard as well. For all of the FastCap tape measures, you can write on the faces of them. This becomes really handy if, for example, you're taking your measurements and then you're going over to your lumber pile to find the board that you want. And lastly, all of the FastCaps have a pencil sharpener on the back of them, but I will be honest, this is something I've never used because I have a pencil sharpener attached to the base of my bench. If I was going to pick a runner-up for this comparison, nitpicky review, whatever, it would be the Chameleon tape measures. They are reversible, so they're marked on both sides. They only mark out the 1/8 lines on one side, but Still, they have everything marked, and the other thing with this one is it is really durable. I'm pretty confident that this one can drop off of a roof, bounce off of the concrete, probably be run over by a car, and be fine. I'm not sure if the FastCaps would be able to hold up to that kind of like dropping and stuff like that. So the chameleons are the ones that I take when I am on the go on a job or traveling for a job. The FastCaps are the ones that sit at my bench. Alright, so again, this is a weird and super nitpicky video, and I do understand that these are just tape measures, but I use a tape measure pretty much every single day that I'm in the shop, so these features were important to me, and I thought some of you guys might find them interesting as well. If you have a favorite tape measure, please let other people know down below, because I know there are a million different tape measures out there. Some of them might have the same features as the FastCap, so I'd be curious to hear about them as well. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good day.